I welcome all of you to another maths lesson. So today we'll continue the chapter quadratic equation. The question is like this. You simply read the question. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distance from the two gates should be pole be erected? So I hope the question is clear. So question says like this. This is a circular park having diameter 13 meter. And there are two gates to this park. Diametrically opposite means by connecting these two gates you will get a okay, a circular park. And there are two gates diametrically opposite. That means by connecting these two gates you will get a diameter. And you want to erect a pole on the boundary of the circle such that the distance from these gates to that pole, the distance from that gates to two gates to that pole having the difference is 7 meters. So we can give name like this, A, P and B. So the difference of these two distance from A to P and B to P should be equal to 7 meters. Okay, so if you take one length BP is equal to X, suppose BP is equal to, let BP is equal to X, then AP must be equal to, the difference must be equal to 7. That means AP minus BP is equal to 7. Now we are applying the variable. So taking BP is equal to, we want to find out the length BP and length AP. Okay, so the second statement, the difference between the distance from the gates to the pole is 7 meters. This statement is given to make the equation in one variable by substituting something. So different, if you start with the two variables, then you can by substitution method you can remove one variable. That's one idea. Without using the second variable also you can do this. So by taking the names, actually taking the names are also equivalent to taking some variables, right? So I choose the distance AP and BP. So the difference is given that 7. So only one side I choose variable X. So what will you get? AP minus X is equal to 7. You will get like this, AP minus X is equal to 7. Then what will be AP? AP is equal to
7 plus X.
7 plus X or X plus 7. Okay. Now you can simply apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So you will get a AP square plus, or you can start from diameter, that is AB square, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other sides, that is AP square plus BP square. So substitute the values. AB's diameter is given that 13 meter. So 13 square is equal to AP square. AP 7 plus X. So 7 plus X all square plus BP square. BP square is X square. So now expand this bracket. So 13 square is 169, right? And 7 plus X all square expand. So what will you get? 7 square is 49. 2 into 7 into X what? No. Why this is 90 degree? Can anyone say the reason? Yes. Angle in a semicircle. Will be always 90 degree, right? Okay. So 2 into 7 into X. 2 into 7 into X is 14X plus X square and again 1X square. So now you can move this 169 to right side, that will come minus 169, and this X square plus X square will become 2X. And also I turned the equation, use LHS and RHS, so you will get 2X square plus 14X, then this 49 is there, this 49 is all there, and also 169 when you shift the side, that will become minus 169 is equal to 0. So next step what? 2x square plus 14x. 49 minus 169, what will come?
Minus 120.
Minus 120, right? Minus 120 is correct. Okay, it's equal to 0. So we can cut each terms by 2, right? We can divide the entire equation by 2. So what will you get? Dividing equation by 2. So what will you get? X square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So now identify A, B, and C. Then apply the quadratic formula. So A, B, and C. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 7, C is equal to minus 6. Okay, then B square minus 4AC, the discriminant value. What will be B square minus 4AC? 7 square minus 4 into A is 1 into C is minus 60. So what will come? So 49 minus 4 into 1 into minus and minus multiplying, we will get a positive. 4 into 60. 4 into 60 is 240, right? 240. Now adding these two, what will you get? 289. It's a perfect square, right? It's a perfect square. So next step, you write x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values, you will get minus b, that is minus 7. Minus 7 plus or minus, minus 7 plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. You substitute the value of b square minus 4ac, root 289 divided by 2 into a, that is 2, right? So which are the values? Minus 6. What's the square root of 289?
13.
13 is wrong.
Sorry.
17.
17. Okay, 17. Okay. So minus 7 plus 17 by 2 is a choice. And also minus 7 minus 17 by 2 is another choice. So reducing this, what will you get? Minus 7 plus 17 is 10, right? 10 by 2 or minus, what will come?
By 2.
24, right?
24 minus 24.
24 by 2. Again, reducing this, what will you get? X is equal to
5 for
5 or minus 12. But the distance cannot be negative. So we choose the value x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 means BP. We have chosen x. BP is equal to x. That means this distance is 5. Okay, this distance is 5.
Sir, ingane matte question kodukkan pattu etta variable aakittu?
Yes, that's also possible. Okay, actually here we have applied two variables, AP and BP. They are equivalent to giving some variable names, right? Okay, so look here, second one will be the relation AP is equal to 7 plus x. So what will be 7 plus x? X is 5. So what will come? AP will be, yes, 7 12. Plus 5, that is 12. Here not centimeter, okay?
Sir, meter.
Yes, meter. So 12 meter and 5 meter, these are the lengths of the from pole to the gates. Okay. You want to say such a park is not possible. It is also asking here, is it possible to do so? Is it possible to do so? Then you want to write the it is not possible. And it will be clear here by getting the, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there will be no solution for this quadratic equation. There is no solution for this quadratic equation. Then you want to say it is not possible. Okay, so here when you get the x is equal to 5, you want to write negative is not possible. So we choose the value x is equal to 5. Then substitute that value 5 in this, only one step enough, right? So explaining minus 12, taking plus 12 and substituting x is equal to 5 in here, both takes only one step. So substituting that 5 here, you will get AP is equal to 12. Okay.